Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Breakfast Trades with your host, Nebraskan Gooner from Elevate Trading. If you're looking for an educational community, whether you're a newer trader or new investor or more experienced, we have a really good learning community to bounce ideas off of each other. And we really help promote learning for the newcomers as well to the game, because we all had to start out new once, right? So we really tried to promote learning in our community. So make sure you check it out if you're interested. www.elevate-trading.com. We'd love to have you. Anyway, today's video, we're going to talk about RSI. Okay, I have a nice RSI hack that I use for bull markets, and I'm going to show you that here. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it, you guys. So this is a Bitcoin chart on the weekly. When I use RSI, or Relative Strength Index, I like to use it on higher time frames, more for investing purposes. If you don't know about RSI, you can check out my beginner's guide. I'll post a link down below. I explain it more in detail in there. Of course, you can always Google it. But anyway, it's just an indicator. You can add it up here. If you don't know how to use TradingView, again, I have another video, another Breakfast Trades on how to use TradingView. So make sure you check that out. I'll put in a card up above. Once you have RSI on your chart, you can double click here, go to style, and then for Bitcoin, I usually do 52. You can do 50. It depends on the asset. It'll vary between like 50 to 54. So 52 is a good number right in between that. But anyway, so that's going to decrease my overbought boundary down below. All right, because people say it's overbought in the upper zone and oversold down below, and I like to use it a little differently than that. So what you see here is basically anytime that Bitcoin is above 50 RSI on the weekly, there, we're just going to highlight this here real quick. And obviously you can't see the previous history, but it was surely above 50 for a while there. All right, so to here, let me line that up. All right, and then from here to here. And we'll just keep going down. And sorry, this is boring. I don't have any funny jokes or anything planned exciting for this moment in time. I ran out of dad jokes. I use them all on Twitter already. But don't worry, I'll work on some more for you guys. All right. So here we go. One more, and this was a big one. Damn, it's huge. Look at that, all the way up, and we crossed below. We actually crossed below here. Okay, so there you have it. So when Bitcoin RSI on the weekly is above 50, 52 to be exact, you can see what happens here. It's pretty much in an uptrend, right? Uptrend, 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 uptrend. And when it goes below 50, it ends up being in a downtrend. All right, so we have one little fake out uptrend here, but for the most part, you can see when it's red, we are basically in a downtrend. All right, down from here to here, another nice little, just slight fake out again, but a very brief one. So overbought, oversold don't really matter too much right now. We're more just looking at the trend here, right? And one last one, we are now below, so we don't know what'll happen. This is not a video based on TA. This is a video based on RSI. All right, so we're not going to analyze Bitcoin right now. But as you can see here, we're back below. So what I would be looking for would be for RSI to get back above here. All right, again, this is not a TA video, but for the purposes of this video, if RSI gets back above here and gets above 50 to show some strength, then I could expect that price would show strength as well and uptrend, right? Fair enough. So that's really how I use it. It works on multiple assets on different time frames, and I like to use it on higher time frames, like I said. You can use the oversold and overbought territories on top, but I really like to use 50 as a sign of strength or weakness. Basically, above 50 is going to mean that we're in a strong trend. We're showing strength, and below 50 is going to mean that the trend has cooled off and that buyers aren't showing that strength like they once were. So like I said, I use this on multiple assets on high time frames. Every asset may be a little different, so you might have to adjust that upper value. It might be 48, 54, 55, okay? Like I said, for Bitcoin, I use 52, but I hope that you guys found this information helpful. Really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please smash the subscribe button. I'm going to work on some more series and content for you guys. New breakfast trade videos every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Central Time, and feel free to post suggestions for the next content you'd like to see below. Peace.